In this tutorial, we'll be teaching you how to set up all of the mandatory fields that you'll need in your My Details to populate through to your email signatures. First of all, click your name top right and go into the My Details section. You'll see a tab called Signatures. The Signature tab will actually pull information from your account to load your email signature. Most of this information will come from the Profile area. So in your Profile tab, you'll need to make sure that you have an email address with the label of work, and you'll need to mark this as your primary. To do this, you can select the arrow up and select Mark as Primary, and you should see a tick appear on that email. The phone numbers that will be pulled through to your signature will be a fax, your office, which can be a direct line or your office number, and your mobile. For the mobile, you will need to make sure that it's marked as primary by using the option on the right and selecting Mark as Primary for this to be pulled through to your signature. You'll also need to check that your position is filled in, as we've covered in earlier tutorials. Once you have all of this information, you can then hit the Update Profile option. This will then save your My Details page. You'll then be able to go into your signature and see that all of the information should be porting through into this particular tab.